All right, so we're looking at this house here with a bunch of blown off shingles. There's this big area here where they've lost quite a few, and there are obviously loose areas everywhere. You can see over there, loose. Got some blow-offs here, blow-offs. This whole roof, it appears that they never sealed well. This roof is only about 8 years old, and you can see areas here where the shingles are loose, not sealed at all, and they have obviously blown off. It will not be too long until this whole roof has had lots of areas that have all blown off. So that's one reason we like the Owens Corning, the duration, because they are a lot less prone to blow-offs. That's it.